So, if OneDrive keeps syncing files you don't want, uses memory in background, or you simply never use it, this guide will help you to remove it step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to completely remove Microsoft OneDrive on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This method is quick, clean, and does not require downloading any third-party software. So, let's get started. But before we start, make sure to back up your important files. If your desktop documents, pictures, or other folders are synced with OneDrive, uninstall it without a backup could make it harder to access those files later. So, I will suggest you take a few minutes to copy your important data to another folder, external drive, or another safe location. Once your backup is done, follow the steps carefully. First, click on Start menu and search for PowerShell. Now choose Run as Administrator. Once the PowerShell opens, we are ready. But before uninstalling, we need to stop OneDrive from running. Type this command: taskkill space /f space /im space OneDrive.exe and press enter. This force closes OneDrive. If you see this error message, that means your OneDrive is already closed. Next, type this command for 64-bit Windows. And press enter. If you are using 32-bit Windows, use this command instead. And press enter. Now keep patience. After a few seconds, OneDrive will remove from your system. Sometimes Windows leaves extra OneDrive folder behind. To remove them, run this command one by one. And press enter. This command cleans up leftover OneDrive files. To prevent Windows from reinstalling OneDrive automatically, run this command. And press enter. This disables future OneDrive syncing services. And that's it. You have successfully removed OneDrive using PowerShell. After that, just reboot once. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.